Minda, what is this?
Environmentally friendly.
A vegan product. Some kind of vegan. This is all vegan products here?
Odor neutralizer.
Whoa!
Like a dog's.
Look at that. 100% biodegradable vegan product.
Yeah.
Right there. Vegan product.
Blue-tech.
This is a vegan product too?
It doesn't mention on the big bottles. Doesn't mention, but the origin vegetal.
Vegetal.
Vegetal origin.
Whoa, this is incredible. Costa Rica vegan products. Though you don't really need this crap, you can use vinegar for cleaning.
Well, surprised. Look at the bleach.
But
look, seems like chloro, but biodegradable. And if you're talking about vegan, I can trust them. You know,
yeah,
if you understand what is vegan.
yeah. I've seen a product one time that it said vegan, and the ingredients had honey in it.
Oh yeah. Okay.
So sometimes you gotta be careful.
Yeah.